Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are diving into a very important topic like how to use some essential question words like if, when, where, what, how, whether and that. These words are so important and we use them in our daily life even. So don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update and watch the video till the end because this video is really very interesting for you. Okay, so first we have if. Let's talk about this one first. We use if to introduce a condition or a possibility. For example, if it's rain, we will stay inside. It means if rain is coming, then we will stay inside. Otherwise, we are not going to stay inside. It means one sentence should be dependent on the other sentence. If first sentence is not completed, the second sentence will not happen. Okay, so this type of sentences in which two conditions are dependent on each other. In this situation, we use if. Okay, if something happen, we will do. If something will not happen, we will not do. This is the first thing. Now, second one, we have another important one, that is when. Okay, so we use when to specify a time or to ask or talk about a time. For example, when you arrive, give me a call. It means the sentence is giving a vibe that when you arrive, give me a call. So it is specifically asking for a time. So whenever they are asking for a time, for example, when is your birthday? It means when your birthday is. So for a time or an event specifically for describing that. So that time we use when. Okay. So this is another thing. Now let's go towards the third one, that is what. Now, what we use when we have to ask for information about something. So, for example, what is your name? I have to take this information, so I will say what is your name, what is your date of birth. So, for any kind of taking information, we use the word what. Okay. So next one we have how. Okay. So how we use to ask about the manner, process of something. Process means how, what is the stages, how is the process. So that time we use how, or used to ask about the manner or condition also. We said how does this machine work. Here I'm asking about the process of the machine working. So here in this situation I will write how. So for manner, condition or process we use how. Another example I will give you, how do you make a cake? It means you need to give the process of making the cake. Okay, so next one we have where. Now where we use the word we used about asking for a place or location. So for asking about a place or location or position we use where. Like where did you find the book? It means which place you will find the book. Or where did you put the keys? So for asking place or position we use where. This is the next thing. Now let's go to the next one, that is whether. Okay, so whether we use to introduce two or more alternatives. For example, I don't know whether to stay or not, whether to stay or leave. I don't know whether to sit or stand. So it means you have to you will give two alternatives. It means the same situation but two alternatives. Whether I don't know whether to drink or not. I don't know whether to stay at home or not. I don't know whether to go to the party or stay at home. It means you will be there, but you have two options to choose. It means I don't know whether to choose red pen or blue pen. It means you will be there, but you have two options for choosing. So that time you have to use whether. Okay, next one we have is that. Okay, that we use to introduce a clause, often to provide more information. Okay, so it means this word is used to introduce a clause, or for example, I hear that you got a new job. Okay, so it means you are giving information, you are providing information. When you are asking for information, you use that time what. Okay, we use here that. When we are asking information we use what, and when we are providing information we use that time. Or I hear that you got a job, this one. Or you also clause, you say you got a new job. You got a new job is another clause. It means two sentence. If I remove this sentence will also have some meanings. Without this sentence also have some meanings. That is means a clause. So this is what you just remember, that whenever we have to provide some information, we use that. Okay, so this is the thing, the very important thing about these words. I will summarize it as we say: if for conditions, when for times, where for location, what for information, how for manner or process, whether for choices or alternatives, that to introduce additional information or to find information, to provide information or to introduce additional information. Okay, I hope this helps clearly how to use these question words in your conversations and writing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Leave any question or suggestion in the comment below. Also, I have one quiz for you. You answer the quiz in the comment section. I will reply you if you are correct or which one is wrong. Okay, so just look at that, the quiz. This is the quiz for you. So and this one, just take the picture of the quiz. Okay, in the description box you will find the thing that I just summarized for you. If for condition, when for time. You can just go and check the description. Anyways, for now, bye, take care, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.